Can I be honest?
Always.
I thought my English was the problem.
It wasn't.
Then what was it?
Hey everyone, welcome to the Speak and Rise podcast. If you've ever understood English but struggled to speak it, you're not alone.
And you're definitely in the right place.
Every week, we help you build confidence, improve fluency, and finally start speaking English without fear.
Because fluency isn't about knowing every word. It's about having the confidence to use the words you already know.
Confidence first?
Fluency follows.
Let's get into today's episode. You've studied English for years. You know the grammar, you know the vocabulary, but the second someone asks you a question, your mouth just freezes. Why?
Because everyone thinks speaking English is a thinking problem. It's not. It's a muscle problem.
And today, we're giving you 5 exercises that actually train that muscle, so your mouth moves before your brain overthinks. Okay, real talk. Imagine someone who's read every book about the gym. They know every exercise, every rep range, every meal plan, but they've never actually picked up a weight. Would you expect them to be strong?
Obviously not. But that's exactly what most English learners do. They read, they listen, they watch videos, but they never actually use their mouth.
And then they wonder, why can I understand everything but not say anything?
Because your ears are strong and your mouth is weak. That's the real problem.
So let's fix it. 5 exercises, and you can start all of them today. No teacher needed, no partner needed, just you and your mouth. Exercise 1, read out loud. And I don't mean just mumbling through a newspaper. I mean read like you're talking to someone.
Right. When you read silently, your brain is working, but your mouth is sleeping. Reading out loud wakes up the connection between your brain and your mouth.
Pick something easy, a blog post, a YouTube transcript, even a WhatsApp message. Read it out loud for just 5 minutes. Focus on the sounds, not the meaning.
And here's a trick. Read it a second time, but faster. Then a third time, even faster. That trains your mouth to move at real conversation speed.
5 minutes a day. That's it for exercise 1. Exercise 2, shadowing. This one is powerful. You listen to a native speaker, a podcast, a YouTube video, anything, and you repeat what they say, almost at the same time.
Not after they finish, while they're speaking. Like a shadow.
It feels weird at first.
It feels impossible at first. But here's what it does. It trains your rhythm, your intonation, your speed. You stop sounding like a textbook and start sounding like a human.
Pick a short clip, 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Listen, shadow, repeat. Do it for 5 minutes a day, and I promise you'll notice the difference in 2 weeks. Now, exercise 3. This is the one most people skip because it feels weird. But honestly, it might be the most powerful one on this list.
Okay, now I'm nervous.
You should be. But first, if these first 2 exercises are new to you, hit that subscribe button. We're building a whole series on this, and you don't want to miss the next one.
Yeah, and if you've been doing these already, drop a comment. We read every single one.
All right, exercise 3. Talk to yourself, out loud, in English.
See? I told you it was weird.
It is weird, but it works. Narrate what you're doing. I'm making coffee. The water is boiling. I need to buy milk. Simple stuff.
The reason this works is that it trains you to think and speak at the same time. Most learners do one or the other. This forces both to happen together.
You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need full sentences. Just speak. In the shower, while cooking, while walking. 5 minutes.
And if someone catches you talking to yourself?
Tell them you're training for fluency. Exercise 4 is my favorite. the one-word reaction. Whenever something happens, anything, react in English with just one word.
So if I drop my phone, no. If the food is good, amazing. If I'm running late, crap.
Exactly. The point isn't the word. The point is training your instinct. When something happens, your brain should reach for English first, not your native language.
And once one word comes out naturally, two words come out. Then three. Then full sentences. It builds from there.
This is how kids learn. They don't start with grammar rules. They start with reactions. Last one. And Jessica, I know you don't like this.
Nope, I don't.
Record yourself speaking.
Nobody wants to hear their own voice.
I know. But here's the thing. You can't fix what you don't hear. Record yourself for 1 minute. Just talk about your day. Then listen back.
You'll hear things you didn't notice. Words you skip, sounds you swallow, places where you hesitate.
And the next time you speak, you'll be a little better. Because now you know. You don't need a teacher to tell you. You become your own teacher. So there you have it. 5 daily exercises. Read out loud, shadow, talk to yourself.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need practicing English.
Confidence first.
Fluency follows.
If this helped you, subscribe and share this with someone who needs it. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.